This is a test of the emergency alert system.
CBS, welcome home.
WBIT serves the state of Connecticut and is a participating station of the Emergency Alert System. The EAS is used to keep you informed of any national, state, or local emergency.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test. WLNE channel.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Crawford County in south central Indiana effective until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for Crawford County in south central Indiana effective until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please stay tuned for further details and updates.
Good evening, everyone. The tornado warning for Perry and Crawford.
Civil emergency message. At 9:30 p.m. Saturday evening, local officials reported an incident involving a crash between a chemical train and coal train. Chemicals have been released into the air and there are fires burning. Shelter in place. All persons in the ventral hollow area should remain inside their homes or some other closed building until an announcement is made over radio or television that you may leave safely. If you are in the area mentioned, turn off heating or cooling systems and window or attic fans. Close all windows, doors and vents, and cover cracks with tape or wet rags. Keep your pets indoors. Until you can reach a place of safety, cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief or other cloth. Listen to your local radio or television for further advice. Evacuation. All persons in the starry area should evacuate the area in an orderly manner. Drive or walk toward the main roadway in your neighborhood. Emergency response personnel will be along those routes to direct you to an evacuation reception site. Please observe normal traffic laws.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones.
Who's your friend? When it came to Scott and Serena, she trusted you. I believe in that. So should you. Trust yourself and follow your heart.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Please stand by. Station KIH 55 will be up shortly. The storm was moving east-northeast at 30 to 35 miles per hour. The storm will affect the Raymer, Grady, Dublin, and Pine Level areas.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the new emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. WPST serves the central New Jersey area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
From around the world.